Hey everybody, so something a little bit different today. I'm currently sat in the Mrs. Tiguan. It's a 68 reg that we bought about a year ago. It has warranty on it, but as you can see, it has developed an engine management light. Now, when you scroll through the car, there's no error codes that come up, just the engine management light, no codes displayed. Now, it did have warranty with Ramp, the company is called, Ramp warranty, but they're not going to cover the fact that the glow plug sensor has gone, so we will be cancelling the warranty because we're paying like £40 a month for it. It's a bit pointless. Carly plugged in right now. I'm just running a diagnostic, so that'll be finished in a second. We'll get sorting the problems. Now, obviously it's already been in the garage. They've already told us, oh, the radio's turned on there, just because it's doing its full diagnostics. So they've already told us it's the glow plugs that need changing. It needs a full bank of glow plugs. Now, this car it has 3 standard glow plugs and 1 glow plug that is a sensor. So the one that's coming up is glow plug 3 that's failed. That's the one with the sensor. They're about 180 quid, so they're quite expensive, but I'm going to do all 4 glow plugs at the same time. Now, I was looking on the interwebs to try and find out a bit more about it, but I haven't found any that have explained that glow plug 3 is a sensor. So I'm going to hopefully give you a how-to video now. Basically the video I wish I would have found at the time when I was trying to do these glow plugs. So my diagnostics has just completed, so I'm just going to show you there. Look, don't know if that's going to focus in. Cylinder 3 glow plug circuit. So like I say, I've got 4 new glow plugs, so we'll get those fitted. I'm going to turn that off now because I don't want the engine to get too hot while I'm working on it. But yeah, let's get cracking. I'm going to do most of this one as voiceover, so I'll get the camera in a decent place, and then I'll do a voiceover for most of it. So yeah, see you in a minute. So normally you'd see a big black engine cover here. We don't have one, it never came on ours. So we're going to just get cracking. So we want to get to these little black connector plugs down here. So just bear in mind, when you want to take off your engine cover, you need to remove the oil cap because otherwise it gets a bit tight, and they plug on 4 little poppers. So we're going to get cracking, get these caps off, and get the glow plugs changed. Now, normally I'd advise trying to pull these caps off with a set of pin nose pliers or needle nose pliers, whatever you decide to call them. I left my tool bag in Mark McCann's race van, so I only had a big chunky set of pliers to go at these at. Just make sure, whatever you do, that you don't pull on the cables, only pull on the rubber caps. When they're coming off, you'll hear a nice pop. But yeah, once you get that off, all you need is a 10mm deep socket, and then you can get on cranking. So as you can see here, this is the old glow plug I've pulled out. Quite a lot of carbon build up. So I've got these new Bosch ones. So we're going to get these fitted in. Just make sure before you put them in the hole that there's no debris or anything around there that can go in the glow plug hole. But yeah, just put them in, crank them up. Don't do them too tight, just hand tight and tweak them. So once you've got that just nipped up, it's time to put the cap back on. Now when you're pushing the cap back on, you will hear it click back into place, just like this. So I'm now going to do the same again for cylinder 1 and 2. I'll speed that up so you don't have to sit through it for too long, and then I will show you cylinder 3, which is actually a glow plug sensor. So this one here is the cylinder 3 glow plug sensor. You can see it's got a sensor at the top there. It's actually a pressure sensor, so it's a different shape and size to the other glow plugs. This is the one that was showing as failed. So yeah, this one you'll need a 13mm socket for rather than a 10, but same process again. Let's get going. Alright, so that took me less than 10 minutes to change all those plugs. So I'm in the car. You can see that the code is still on there at the moment. So we're going to start it up, see if the engine management light's gone. If it's not, we're going to clear the system and see if it comes back. No, so it's still there. So odds are is because the code is still stored. Right, so that is the engine code now cleared with the Carly scanner. So I'm just going to take it out for a test drive, and hopefully when we switch her off and turn it back on again, she doesn't come back.